Yes, now coming on the next problem, which we have 1070 is equal to previous video we have done some questions on 10, and I told you there are three angles and sum of two is equal to the third, and we can solve it. One more question like this: 1070 is 1020 plus 2 1050. In this case, now three angles are visible to you. One is 70, another is 20, and then come out to be 50. 70 degree is 20 plus 50. We will take 10 on both sides, so it come out to be 1070 degree equal to 1020 plus 50. Then when you solve this 10 formula now, it will come out to be 1020 plus 1050 divided by 1 minus 1020 1050, and this is come out to be 1070 degree. Now when you cross multiply it, it come out to be 1070 minus 1070 1020 1050 should be equal to 1020 plus 1050. Then we want 1070 one term, that is here, and other term I'll shift on other side, because you want the term should be on other side. So one side we'll say 1070 equal to 1020 plus 1050 plus 1070 1020 1050. After getting this result, now which term is needed? Just check. 1020 is needed, 1050 is also needed, but one more 1050 should come, and this term should not come here. So here we will use one concept which you have done last year. 70 and 20 they are complementary angles. Their sum out come out to be 90. So what we do in this case, we say T 1020, this will be 1050. 1070 we write as 1090 minus 20, and then 1020 remain as it is, and then comes out to be 1050. Now when you solve it, it will come out to be 1020 plus 1050 plus, this will come out to be 1070. 1090 minus 20, is it 1090 minus theta is cot theta? So we should say it will be cot of 20, tan of 20, and then tan of 50. Cot 20 and tan 20 will make it 1, this result 1. So I got this as 1020 plus 1050 plus, this will come out to be 1050 again, and then come out to be 1020 plus 2 1050 is your 1070. So this way you have first question now, and it's a very simple one. Only the one concept addition in this case, that is the complementary angle condition. If you use that, we will say we can get the question. So on 10 we have done 3 questions. Now we are coming on next question. This is the next question we have. Tan A minus tan B is given x, cot B minus cot A is given y, then prove that cot A minus B is 1 by x plus 1 by y. So first thing we want, because we know the formula of tan A plus B and tan A minus B, so this is already a result for us, but this we will convert in 10 first. So I'll write this result as 1 by 10b minus 1 by 10a comes out to be y. Then we go for LCM as 10a into 10b, and this is come out to be 10a minus of 10b comes out to be y. Okay. So from this y value is known now, x value is known now. So if we take x and y, you start with this side first. So 1 by x plus 1 by y. 1 by x if you take, it will be coming 1 by 10 of a minus 10 of b plus 1 by y. 1 by y means reciprocal of this. This will come 10a 10b by 10a minus of 10b. And now when you take the LCM here, it will come out to be 10a minus of 10b is the LCM. So it will come out to be 1 plus 10a 10b. Now when you do this you can write as 1 by 10a minus 10b by 1 plus 10a 10b. And when you solve it, it will come out to be 1 by 10 of a minus b. And this is 1 of 10 of a minus b means it will come out to be cot of a minus b. Hence proved. Now coming on next result. So these are the questions you can do. You can proceed. You can solve. One more question note here. Sin b minus c by cos b cos c plus sin of c minus a by cos a cos b plus sin of a minus b by, this cos c cos a, and here it come out to be cos a cos b. We have to prove 0. So this is proof question we have. We have to prove this as cosine of b minus c by cos b cos c, then sin c minus a by cos c cos a, and then sin a minus b by cos a cos b is coming 0. So how we solve it? We'll start with the left hand side. Then it come out to be sin b cos c minus cos b sin c divided by cos b cos c. Same way here, sin c cos a minus cos c sin a whole divided by cos c cos of a. And third case is plus sin a cos b minus cos a sin b divided by cos a cos b. Now when you solve it, what it comes out to be? Now I separate them out. Sin b cos c by cos b cos c minus cos b sin c by cos b cos c plus comes out to be sin c cos a by cos c cos of a minus cos c sin of a by cos c cos of a plus sin a cos b by cos a cos b minus cos a sin b by cos a cos b. Now when you solve it, this get cancel out, 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 and this get cancel out. When you solve it, it will come out to be 10b minus 10c, then comes out to be 10c minus of 10a, then comes out to be plus of 10a minus of 10b. Now all the term get cancel out here and your result is coming 0. So this way you can have this question. Now coming on some more results which will make our question slight simpler. That also you should remember. So I'm just telling that formula. Formula for sin a plus b into sin a minus b. This is the first result we want to prove. First we'll bring this result. I write this as sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. And here it comes out to be sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Simply formula we are taking sin a plus b formula and sin a minus b formula. Now it is a minus b and a plus b, so there is a formula directly. What that will come out to be sin square a cos square b minus cos square a into sin square b. Now when you solve it, first what we try to convert complete in sine. I write this as sine square A 1 minus sine square B, then 1 minus sine square A, and then sine square B. When you solve it, it will come out to be sine square A minus sine square A sine square B. Then comes out to be minus sine square B plus sine square A sine square B. This part get cancelled out. Your result come out to be sine square A minus sine square B. One more formula we can create, that will be in terms of cos. So it will be 1 minus cos square A 1 minus cos square B. Now when you solve it, this 1 and 1 cancel out. Then another result come out to be cos square B minus cos square. So now we got the formula of sin A plus B into sin A minus B. What that formula says? It comes sin square A minus sin square B equal to cos square B minus cos square B. So this will be the first formula we should remember now. After 6 formula, this is the 7th formula we have. Sin A plus B into sin A minus B is sin square A minus sin square B, or it will be cos square B minus cos square A. Same way the formula for cos A plus B into cos A minus B. When you apply this formula, it will come out to be cos A cos B. We are creating the formula first. Plus minus sin A sin B into cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Now when you solve it, it will come out to be cos square A cos square B minus sin square A sin square B. This time the problem which you will get is, if you convert total in cos, it will be a complicated result. If we convert total sine, it's a complicated result. So what we decide now, that A will take in cos and B will take in sine. Whatever A, we will take then cos. Whatever B will take in sine. So it will be 1 minus sine square B. Sine square A will convert in cos, so 1 minus cos square A, and then come out to be sine square B. Now when you solve it, it will come out to be cos square A minus cos square A into sine square B, then minus sine square B plus cos square A into sine square B. This part clearly get cancelled out. Your result come out to be cos square A minus sine square B. One more result we can get here, that this we convert in sine and this we convert in cos. Now this one and this one again cancelled out, and this will come out to be cos square B minus sine square A. So another formula we have now. What this formula says, cos A plus B into cos A minus B, the formula come out to be cos square A minus sine square B, or it will be cos square B minus sine square A. So these are the two results going to help you in certain questions. One question I'll take in this case. If question says cos square 6x minus cos square 2x, cos squared 6x minus cos squared 2x, we have to prove this as sine of 4x into sine of 8x. Now what formula here? Cos square B minus cos square A is the formula. Cos square B minus cos square A. It is B and it will be A. Now what formula says? Cos square B minus cos square A. Formula says sine A plus B into sine A minus B. So I'll start with this. This is equal to sine A plus B means 2x plus 6x. And then again we go for sine 2x minus of 6x. Sorry, it's a plus b, right? And then a minus b. So this minus this. What it will come? Sine of 8x, and this will come sine of minus of 4x. Your answer come out to be minus sine 8x into sine of 4x. So there is a minus sign also we should have. Yes, the result which we have started, that you should keep in mind. This should prove as sine 8x into sine 4x. This is the thing we have to prove. So minus I have taken here. We have proved this is coming this. One more question is there. Sine squared 6x minus sine squared 4x. Please find out what is value. Sine squared 6x minus sine squared 2x. We want this to convert in plus form, product form. Sine square A minus sine square B. What formula says? Sine of 6x plus 2x, then sine of 6x minus of 2x. When you solve it, sine of 8x, and then this will come out to be sine 4x. That's good. Next time we'll continue with this result.